Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now here we've got the eye protection option. So first of all, we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher. And probably you cannot really see the difference. I can barely see it. So basically the screen turns a little yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you want to customize it, just tap on eye protection. And as you can see, probably that's why we cannot really see the difference. Here we've got the intensity feature switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, which makes it totally invisible, or by going to the right, warmer, and right now we can really see the difference. So of course you can set it just like you want to and set it on the option which is most comfortable for you. Here you can schedule this feature also, because right now you have to manually turn it on or off, and you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. I mean, set the schedule from sunset to sunrise, and basically by using it, your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, or you can turn it on at custom time, and you will be able to pick the start and the end time, and your device will use this schedule. It's up to you. I prefer to have it turned on or off permanently. So basically that was the customization of this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, you have to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully to see all of the icons. And as you can see here, we've got the eye protection. So basically right now it is obviously turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and again if you want to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.